In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Teams appearance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to make Teams look and feel the way you prefer, whether that's adjusting themes, layout, or overall visual style. Let's start from your main Microsoft Teams window. Make sure you're already signed in and looking at the standard Teams interface, either in your browser or the desktop app. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the three vertical dots, sometimes called More Options. This icon is usually close to your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is where Microsoft hides a lot of the extra settings and customization options that don't fit directly on the main toolbar. When you click the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to find and select the option labeled Settings. It's typically near the bottom of the list. Click on Settings to open a new window or panel. This is the central place where you can adjust how Teams behaves and how it looks, including notifications, devices, and of course, appearance. If you ever need to change anything else in Teams in the future, remember that this settings menu is your main control center. Once the settings window is open, you'll see a list of categories or tabs along the left side or across the top, depending on your version. Look for the tab called Appearance. This is the section dedicated to how Microsoft Teams looks on your screen. Click on Appearance to open those options. Inside the Appearance section, you'll typically see different themes or visual styles you can apply, such as light mode, dark mode, or sometimes even a high contrast option. Changing these can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially if you work in low light or spend long hours in meetings. After you choose your preferred appearance settings, Teams usually applies them immediately, so you can see the